This one and
I
this
know,
one and
I
this.
am not Judy armor. The root bound is right.
No, no, and we need more Judy. Wait, wait here. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. DPS sec. Come to me. Ready. I mean, 5 seconds. Yeah, we hit. Come is. Wakish. Is. Desmond. DPS sec. I need every DPS to drop here. Yeah, don't demotivate me before you even start. Let me check DPS.
Don't forget night. Don't forget night
Yeah,
helmets.
on the side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the side.
Too slow. Too slow.
Come too late. Come first. Come first. Come too late. Realm too late. Only my reflex on time. Come not first. Stop not first. Jacket reset here. Jacket.
Normal that.
Come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come not
Do we
east.
have a
Come
do? Have a, do we don't have a royal jacket?
east. Okay, come not east. Come not east. It's fine. It's fine. We'll switch later. Come not east. There is no
No,
GG. There is no GG guys. Okay?
don't use your royal jacket, bro.
Come southeast. Come southeast. Come
Dong
southeast.
is not in the boys.
Come behind me. Come behind me. Clear comes. Clear comes. It's fine. It's fine. Clear comes. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come not east. Get ready, just up front on the tanks, up front, and then go not it. Don't pull like this. Don't pull like this. Judy here. No, don't worry. Get ready inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Inside, just hit inside. Hit inside. Go southeast. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Don't stop there. Go southwest. What if you need to? Come to be behind me. Get to be behind me. Southwest. No southwest. Tanks don't step. Don't stop. Come not this. See, we have to hit faster and stay away from me. What the fuck is this place? Gay shit, bro. Don't stay near me so much, bro. You're like sticking to me. Don't stick to me. Just tanks near me. It's fine. It's nothing. It's nothing. Wait. South is ready on the stairs in 3, 2, 1. On the stairs now. Hit this. Yes, come south. Defensive ready. Come south. Come down the stairs. Come down the stairs. Duty, come down. Come down the stairs. Just walk. Reset here. Reset. Spread southwest.
Bro, they got no engage.
Wait. Come southwest. Spread more southwest. Don't. You're stacking too much. Heal up front. Okay. Come southwest. Spread more. Okay. Spread more. Ready. Get. What the fuck? Ready. Defend. Get ready. Northeast in 3.
Defend. Idea them. We can't hear you, man.
Come southwest. Spread southwest. Spread. What
Spam,
is this?
do it code. Kshatriya,
I'm ready.
use your tweet code.
Listen. Come southwest. Come northwest. Clear some shit. Come northwest. Heal. Look northeast. Look at 5 northeast. In 3, in 2, in 1. Northeast now.
Silence.
Reset. Don't worry. Okay, come northeast. Reset. Get ready. Southeast fast. Hold on, people. Southeast. I need one DPS to cover. BB. Inside of us. In 3, in 2, in 1. Inside. Hit this. Come not this. I need one DPS to save me the build. Defend up front. Come not this.
26 seconds.
Kite. Come, kite. Don't stop.
Man, that place isn't good, man. That
It's
place
fine.
is not good.
Just come me cooldown. Yeah, I'll ask you for cooldown. Just give me cooldown. Come behind me. What is this? Come behind.
You?
Wait. I don't like this. This is weird.
Keep your tank on max out.
Listen. Stop here. Let me clear something. Comms is a very big part of how you play, okay? Don't mess up the calls. And this is really fucked up right now. Come southeast. Good root one. Come southeast. We hit fast southeast. Can you GS southeast up front after we see them? Wait, I'll ask you. We hit fast southeast and kite, yeah? Don't come too up close. You don't need to come too up close. Mount up. Where are they?
They're rotating, bro. They're going northwest, sorry.
Wait. This is not really too good, yeah? I accept bad calls right now.
This is a
Come
good
this way.
shot on the earth.
Hey, go southeast. Hey, look on this GA inside of us. In 3. Wait. Defend. Rudy here. Heal. Come now, southwest. Look southwest in 3. In 2. Go in one. This.
No, no,
We are
here.
here.
Reset, southeast. Reset, southeast. Northeast. Southeast. Reset. Cool down, really cool down. Go south.
20 seconds. 20 seconds cool down.
Come south. Follow me. Come south. Heal this. Nice. Come, look northeast. Just up front in 3, in 2, in 1. Reset this. Okay, this is first, yeah? Have to fix this.
Yeah,
Come
kite
south.
southwest.
Full tech. They might look on this GA, yeah? To be up front. Okay, keep coming, Sato. Pull down, check, and don't. Heal.
Oh my god.
Reset. Listen. This is not really nice, yeah? Come full circle. I need better comps than this. And we are 2 stacked up, 2 up front. Everyone is ranged, you can just wait. Give me 1 second. Calls are bad right now, I'm so sorry. Me clear up a bit.
Bro. But only one. Front.
On top.
I messed up. I had a
There,
My
there.
W.
Top. It's okay. Come not this. Come to the middle. Yo. So we need to fix some things, yeah? My bad on that. Don't stay inside of them so much. Just one down the stairs. Listen, we kite here and we go straight northeast. We go full northwest and straight northeast, yeah? Let them hit. Spread more northwest. It's fine. Let them hit. Spread more
No,
northwest.
it was fake.
Can you GA the root bomb? In southeast, when you point, can you GA it? Root bomb? No. Wait, heal, you can defend. Come not this. Walk not this, just leave the place, walk not this. Keep walking northwest. Okay, ready, look northwest and this tank inside of it. In 3, in 2, in 1, northwest and just hit on me. Come to this, change spots. Come to this, they'll clap you inside. Come to this, Judy here, come to this, look at the ground. Come southeast. Heal up front. Heal under. Come to this, just do good. Come to this. Heal ball. Come to this, southeast. So look on this realm breaker inside of us. In 3, 2, 1 on this realm breaker. Hit. Oh. Come east. Follow me east.
We need to kite more. Guys. Come on, guys.
Spot and come east. Spot. Boots to me. Boots here. Okay. Fuck this royal jacket pick, bro. Come east.
No, your DPS is so bad, bro. Like, wait for your people.
Come to this. Duty here.
Yeah, do it call.
Wait. Heal. Don't stop rolling with them. Stop fucking brawling with them. I see you brawling. Come not this. Look not this on this healer in 3, 2, 1 on the man. Just okay. Come south. I missed. Come south. Pot here. Push him. Come south this.
I'll stop them.
Just pot. Come south this. Heal. Defend now. Good defend. Come east. Walk inside the lobby. We just kill them here. Come south.
Now
I
we
hate
have
this.
to.
Come east. It's fine. Come east. Look right inside of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. I mean, inside. So come south. Up through Jody here. Heal this. Defend here. Come not west. Just come not west. Have to pick this. Come not west. Okay. I need someone to say me cooldown. Just reset. Die if you really.
Can I get some heals? Hello?
I'm fucking up so much, bro. Just
No,
reset.
bro.
They don't like this. Just want to go.
We are too spread up. Like, you're not waiting for your DPS to catch up.
Fucking up a lot, bro. I mean, it's not the DPS thing. I'm fucking up a lot. Just come to the base. Come to base. Full reset. DPS check, yeah? Inside of us. Come. It's when we go one more round even. It's 15 minutes for this one. Don't brawl, stop brawling, yeah. Please don't brawl. If you see Thorfinn brawl him, let him brawl. He is him. Okay. Nobody else brawl, please. Just keep coming with you should be behind the crown, not in front of it. Whenever I'm kind of fighting, you should be like behind me so that I can look back and engage whenever I okay? Another one.
Use Druid call. Kshatriya.
Just come Satus, spread Satus, spread Satus. Hit this G up front in 3. Wait, it's fake, nothing else. Just not this on the tanks in 3. After the silence in 3, 2, 1 on the tank. Up front. Come Satus. Heal, one hit. Heal.
Stop them all, bro. I stop them all.
Come Satus. Come with me. Go behind me, it's fine. Stop here. Look not here. DPS check, pull down please. Someone. Ready?
Cool down, ready.
Come Satis more. Tanks don't stay inside them. Come Satis more. Come behind me please.
Take the mana.
Behind me please. Go to where Shubham is please. Come behind me. Go to the heart mat please. Shubham goes full Satis please. Full Satis. Get, go to Shubham please. Follow Shubham please. Come Satis. Get ready inside of us on this 3 and 3 into and on this GN. Come Satis more. Don't finish him. Brawl him. Give some doubles in this. Come Satis more. Heal up front. Defend. Heal up front. Come Satis. It's okay. Remember to cut. Come Satis. Get ready inside of us on this 3. Finish this please. 3, 2, and on this 10. Kill him. Come not this. Pot here. Pot come not this. Pot.
And how many night armors do they have?
That's how it.
Defend this.
They're failing to get the DPS. They're just killing me.
Can I get some heal?
Get ready inside of us. DPS check. Cool down please. Get ready inside of us in 3.
Cool down ready.
Inside. Hit this please. Come
Yeah.
Come Satis. Do D here. Keep working. Come not this. Where are my face skills? My flip drop. Come not. Keep coming not this.
Bro, I'm so fucking low, bro.
Come not this.
Just come back. I am
Heal.
here.
Come not this. Heal me.
Heal bonus. Can someone? Kshatriya. Oh, all the right.
Oh my god.
And how many tanks do they have?
None.
They
The issue of the tanks.
It's okay.
One.
Don't worry. It's their play style, yeah.
3.
It's okay. No need to. It's fine. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You don't need to check their tanks. Don't need to
We
check
had
anything.
only one kill.
Just get better. Come. We can fix this. This was much better from before, yeah.
It's the
Nice one.
dagger who is killing us.
Okay. Just follow Shubham. like
guys, take the flowers when I drop flowers, okay?
Just
You don't need to do that. You can use it yourself.
wait. It's fine.
Oh, I mean
Just-
for myself.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Like this?
Listen.
Yeah.
Listen. No need to think about how to do the thing, yeah. Come Satis. DPS check again. DPS not hitting together. Come Satis.
Yeah, brawl clap. GG.
Inside of us in 3, in 2, and then inside. Come not this. No realm. Come not this. I think realm hit not this. Is it together? Stay with M typing. Okay. Come not this. NT, a good kite on the last one. Shubham, you know what to do, right? Everyone please follow Shubham.
Damn, I'm getting molested.
It's okay. Playing kite club, it's not too easy. You don't need anything. Wait, how is Ikram dead? Wait here.
He was far away, man.
Yeah.
He was too deep.
On this guy in 3.
That's what's
Ikram just mountain to us. General, it's okay. ND. Suppress. See guys, don't be in front of me. Whenever we are fighting, you should, if enemy is west, you have to be in east. You have to be in between the enemy and you, yeah? You have to be in between you and the enemy. Don't, if you're in front of me, if you're in between me and the enemy color, then you're like playing really bad. Trust me. Okay. Wait here, not a second. I'll beat their defenses at this one. Hey. Reset, come
Is
to me.
there?
Come to this. It's fine, it's fine.
Ward,
Come to
ward.
wait, so the,
Lord.
can you perma early so that they don't blink out? Get ready on this guy. Can you perma him? Just perma him and we're ready. Just perma him. In 3, 2, 1, hit this guy. This guy. Come to this one, sir. Nice one, nice one. Come to this one.
Fuck, GA!
It's fine, it's fine. Don't worry. Come to this.
Yeah.
Fucking GA, man. Fucking GA.
Don't need to. Come here, come to be here. Come to this. Come to this. Spot here if you need to. Come to this. Come to this. Got this now, got this now. Hold on, check please. Defend up front. Hold on, check please. Come
My
to this.
cooldown is basically ready.
Ready, sir. Inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Inside. Hit him.
Nah,
Come to
that was
Fine, fine. Take it. Defend up front. Defend up.
lost.
Reset. Go back to base. It's fine. I didn't wait for it.
Found? Even the
No,
road
don't.
one.
Wait. Reset. Go back to base. Sir. NT. Don't worry. Don't fix it. I should have just played normal.
Oh yeah.
Clap kit is. Their D-tanks are good. No, it's just easy to play their comp. Their comp is like really easy.
It's brawl
Okay.
clap. There is nothing. Like it's hard. Especially
It is-
in
DPS sec. Come here. I need face kills one by one. DPS sec. Come not just. Wait for it. Listen. No. Don't stay for too long. You hit your E and just go back. Okay? Just maintain one thing. I should be between you and the enemy color. Yeah. Ready? Inside of us. In 3, 2,
एक minute.
go DPS. One replay only. Where is my other replay? One second. Reset. Okay, I fake first. Let's pop their defensive. Play fire. Wait when they try to dwell inside.
9 seconds for cooldown, by the way. 5 seconds. Cooldown's ready.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
I have to go AFK. Just keep fighting, not just keep fighting. Get together.
Bruh.
My bad. Give me 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
They're failing to catch the DPS, so they just start killing the tanks.
It's okay. Come, sir, not just come. Hey, my bad. Come. Stop here. Walk not this, it's okay. Look on Shivam, not just up front, not this. Wait. Come sir, this. Please maintain half a screen distance between me and you, yeah? Right. It's okay. I accept bad calls. I think I'm Hitler ST right. Come sir, this. My DPS is too far not to explore. You have to be southeast of me, please understand it.
Maybe I'm brawling like without you, man.
Not to stay there. Come sir, this. So, let Thorfinn stay, he won't die. It's okay. Where is Laura?
Too deep there, man.
Help Laura. Can you heal Laura? Heal up, heal. Come sir, this. Full come down the stairs. Don't brawl, please. Stop brawling. Jody here. Come sir, this. Get ready on the GA, not the in 3. After the GA, and just on the stairs. In 3, 2, 1. On the defend together. Okay. Come sir, this. Keep fighting, sir. Night helm, please. Come sir, this. Come sir, this. Just reset. Come back to this. Can't play like this. Come back to this. So, there is one thing, I don't understand. We TP back to this. It's okay. Come back to this. Listen. There's one thing, how are we dying on the stairs when the engage was on the stairs? You have to understand one thing. If you are engaging somewhere, you cannot be like inside it. We have all We don't need brawlers. We're full collected. We have to hit
We are trapped here.
any distance, awareness distance, and right. The DPS maintain distance between the engage and the thing, yeah. Except back call. Come is.
The
It's okay, it's okay. Don't hit. Comes at this. Ready on this GA, not this up front. In 3. 1 on this GA.
sorry, Laura, I can't save you.
Report it. Duty here, come not this. Boots not this. You're too far up front. Who is this? Okay, sorry, finish him. Come not this. Heal. Defend that. Please defend it. Heal. Come not this, it's okay. Heal and defend. Come not this. Keep coming up. Good to do. Come not this. Stop here. Get ready, Southie. Cool down, someone DPS please. Come not this.
8 seconds. 6.
Come not this.
Five.
Waiting.
Four.
Stop waiting. Use the place on the guy inside us, please. Come not this. Keep coming at us. It's fine. Right, inside of us. In 3,
Okay.
2,
How could you?
Get inside. Come not this. Keep fighting.
Ah, man, the
Come. See, this is still the problem. I am still in front of you. It won't work if I am still in front of you. To be fine, don't worry.
Man,
It is
Molu,
hard.
should I switch to waiting?
No, I don't need a will. You are doing fine on left clip. You have to maintain distance. Playing left kite means you have to maintain survivability, nothing else. Same thing. Very best, it's fine. Empty it. Don't get demotivated just because you're dying from this. Come west, heal. Okay, good. Come west. Duty here, come west. Heal this, please defend. Come not this. Inside of us, not this, after this would burn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside, please. Wait. Come not this, full get, not this. Spot, and go not this, through. Come through not this. Help the kite, help your guys, please, Come not this. Keep coming at us. They'll hit in 5 seconds. Use on double on this guy inside. Where is this? 3. Heal up front. Come get ready, Southeast. Under from the top. In 3,
Yep.
2, 1, on the top. Come not this. Only the mark. Come not this. Pop them outside, please. Pop them out. Oh, come Southeast. They're through. Southeast, come Southeast. Southeast. They're through. Come Southeast. Please heal up them. Come Southeast. Don't stay for too long. Come Southeast. Don't stay. Come Southeast. Stop railing it. Come Southeast.
DPS ready.
Come Southeast now. 8. Get ready inside of us on this GA in 3, 2, 1, just on this GA. Come Southeast more. 8 again. Keep fighting. Duty here, keep fighting. Pop him out. Ready, he will hit. Night help, please. Spot. Just push him. Nice. Heal up, come Southeast. Good defense, please. Come Southeast. Hold it. They'll come through. We hit this choke, yeah. Get ready, not this, up the choke. In 3, 2, 1, hit this. Come
I have my
Southeast.
pull down.
Good night, everyone. Come Southeast.
Just go.
Heal this, help this. Come east. Switch. Come east. Come through the mid. Night helmet. Come east. East, guys. East. You're missing. Heal. Defend this. Nice. Come east. Okay, look inside of us. Pull down that place. We can kill them. Come south. Pull down.
Go pull down ready.
In 2, in 1, inside. Please kill this, please. This is everyone. Only 2 replays. Come east. Come south. Potion editor. The spot comes at us. Potion and comes at us. Go inside it. See them inside if you can. Heal this. Defend it.
Ito naiiyak.
Seven deaths, brother.
It
This
happens.
is really bad, bro. No damage.
Nah, they're too good. And everyone's here are like playing their roles for the first time, I guess.
Yeah, I'm healing first time.
Yeah.